Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking to stay on top of your fitness goals and monitor your health in real time? In today's video, we're breaking down the best health fitness trackers, packed with features like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, step counting, and even stress management. Whether you're just starting out or training hard, these trackers will help you stay motivated and informed. All the product links are in the description below. So let's jump in and find the perfect fitness tracker for your lifestyle.
Number 5. CMF by Nothing Watch Pro. The CMF by Nothing Watch Pro is a state-of-the-art smartwatch designed to cater to your health and fitness needs. With its impressive 1.96 AMOLED display, IP68 water resistance, multi-system GPS, and a host of health monitoring features, this smartwatch stands out in the crowded wearable market. Let's delve into what makes this device a compelling choice for tech enthusiasts and fitness aficionados alike. The CMF by Nothing Watch Pro boasts a large 1.96-inch AMOLED display, offering crystal-clear visuals and a touch-responsive interface. Whether you're tracking your fitness goals or receiving smart notifications, the vivid screen enhances your experience with its smooth and interactive display. This smartwatch is equipped with an all-round health monitoring system. It tracks your heart rate continuously, provides real-time blood oxygen saturation readings, and includes a stress monitor to help manage your stress levels. The sleep monitor assesses your sleep patterns, wake-up times, and key sleep stages to improve overall sleep quality. Stay connected effortlessly with Bluetooth calls supported by AI noise reduction technology. The CMF by Nothing Watch Pro features an integrated microphone and speaker, enhanced by AI trained on over 100,000 noise models to ensure clear and uninterrupted calls. With support for 5 satellite positioning systems, this smartwatch offers precise tracking for various activities such as running, cycling, walking, and hiking. The multi-system GPS ensures accurate trace and distance data, making it an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts. The CMF Watch app complements the smartwatch perfectly, allowing you to manage and view your fitness and health data seamlessly. From tracking steps and calories burned to monitoring blood oxygen levels and sleep patterns, the app offers a comprehensive overview of your health metrics. Number 4. Google Pixel Watch 2. The Google Pixel Watch 2 brings together the power of Fitbit's health tracking with Google's advanced AI, making it one of the most impressive Android smartwatches on the market. Here's everything you need to know about this state-of-the-art wearable. Advanced health sensors. The Pixel Watch 2 introduces 3 new sensors dedicated to heart rate tracking, skin temperature monitoring, and stress management. These enhancements provide precise health insights, ensuring you stay on top of your fitness goals. Fitbit's most accurate heart rate tracking. Thanks to a new heart rate sensor and Google AI, Fitbit's heart rate tracking is more accurate than ever, offering detailed fitness and health metrics. Extended battery life. With an enhanced 24-hour battery and an always-on display, Pixel Watch 2 is designed for all-day wear. Quick 75-minute charge ensures you have a full day's worth of power. Comprehensive stress management. Manage stress in real time with Fitbit's body response feature, which monitors your body's reactions to potential stressors. Track your skin temperature, blood oxygen levels, and sleep patterns for a comprehensive health overview. Safety and emergency features. The Pixel Watch 2 includes emergency SOS, fall detection, and safety check, providing peace of mind in emergency. These features automatically notify your contacts if you don't respond to a scheduled check-in or experience a hard fall. Fitness and workout tracking. Stay motivated with auto workout mode, heart zone training, and pace training. Number 3. Apple Watch SE. The Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, offers a perfect balance of performance, style, and functionality, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to stay connected, monitor their health, and track their fitness goals. Here's why the Apple Watch SE is the best value in the smartwatch market today. All the essentials, now even better. The Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen comes equipped with everything you need to monitor your fitness, track your health, and stay connected on the go. With up to 20% faster performance than its predecessor, it's more efficient and reliable, featuring enhanced workout metrics and new safety features like crash detection. Highly customizable. Personalize your Apple Watch SE to suit your style. Available in a range of sizes and colors, it offers dozens of bands to choose from, as well as customizable watch faces with complications tailored to your preferences. Comprehensive health and safety features. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is more than just a smartwatch. It's a comprehensive fitness tracker and health monitor that seamlessly integrates with your lifestyle. With advanced features, personalized insights, and a sleek design, the Galaxy Watch 6 is designed to help you achieve your health and wellness goals. Advanced fitness tracking. The Galaxy Watch 6 is your perfect workout partner, offering fitness tracking for over 90 exercises. From running to swimming, it provides detailed insights into your workout duration, distance, calories burned, and more, helping you keep your fitness goals on track. Personalized heart rate zones. Achieve your fitness goals faster with personalized heart rate zones. The Galaxy Watch 6 analyzes your health data to create custom HR zones, allowing you to target the right intensity levels for optimal results. Advanced sleep coaching. Improve your sleep habits with the Galaxy Watch 6's advanced sleep coaching feature. Track your sleep stages: awake, light, deep, and REM, and get personalized insights to develop better sleep routines. The watch even detects snoring and helps you plan your bedtime for a more restful night. Always-on heart monitoring. The Galaxy Watch 6 continually monitors your heart rate, alerting you to any irregular rhythms that might indicate atrial fibrillation, AFib. This early detection can be crucial in preventing serious health issues. Number 1. OnePlus Watch 2. The OnePlus Watch 2 is a perfect blend of sophisticated design, robust durability, and advanced smart features. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, tech lover, or someone who values both style and functionality, this smartwatch delivers on all fronts. Here's an in-depth look at what makes the OnePlus Watch 2 stand out. Exceptional durability. The OnePlus Watch 2 is built to last, featuring a stainless steel chassis combined with a 2.5D sapphire crystal face. This design not only adds a touch of luxury, but also ensures the watch can withstand daily wear and tear. With a 5 ATM and IP68 rating, plus military-grade durability, this watch is ready for any adventure. Advanced GPS tracking. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or navigating urban jungles, the dual-frequency L1/L5 GPS offers professional-grade location tracking, providing precise data for all your outdoor activities. Extended battery life. Say goodbye to frequent charging with the OnePlus Watch 2's long-lasting battery. Enjoy up to 100 hours of use in Smart Mode, or extend it to an impressive 12 days in Power Saver mode. Plus, a dual-engine architecture ensures efficient power management, supported by VOOC fast charging, quick power-ups,